Hey compassionate carnivores, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make 3 carnivore meals. This is my favorite meal prep. It's super simple, easy to make, and delicious. I make these meals every single week and I keep it in the refrigerator. It is so good for meal prep and it even tastes good cold. So what you're going to need is you're going to need burger patties, ground beef, eggs, and a muffin tin pan. I'm going to start off with adding water to this. Boiled eggs is one of the best things. First of all, eggs are super good for you and this is the most convenient way. You can just keep it in the refrigerator. I actually leave some in the refrigerator that I don't peel, and then I peel some and I put it in a glass container and I chop it up into little bits, and you can add bacon in it if you'd like, and it's perfect meal prep. It's the perfect snack. It is so delicious. Boom. I'm going to do 12 eggs. I'm going to turn this on medium-high heat. I just let it boil, and then once it boils, I set a timer for 10 minutes and turn the heat off, and then I put it in cold water, and it turns out absolutely perfect. Now we're going to preheat this to 375. 375, start. I forgot, you also need a glass bowl. These muffins are absolutely game changer. I make them all the time. If you guys didn't watch my last video, I'm doing straight carnivore. I'm eliminating cheese, bacon, pork, chicken, cream, and coffee because I've been eating way too much cheese and then I get breakouts, and the coffee has completely messed up my sleep where I cannot fall asleep and I've been getting the worst sleep, and I know it's because of the coffee. I rarely ever ate chicken, but now I'm completely cutting it out because chickens only have one stomach, so you're eating what the chicken ate. If they ate soy, corn, or glyphosate, you're eating that. And chickens are one of the most unhumanely treated animals, and I know you're gonna say a lot of animals are unhumanely treated, and I 100% agree with that, but a chicken, you can get barely any meat on that. A cow, you can get hundreds of meals from a cow. So I'd rather eat a cow where I can get hundreds of meals. I'm doing this for 30 days and I'm going to be documenting it. I'm going to be going to the gym, working out. I've cut out cheese and bacon before and I've just felt 10 times better, and I actually had a problem where I was addicted to heavy cream, and this is really bad, but I'd put it in the blender and blend it up, and then I'd make whipped cream and I'd just do it over and over again, and heavy cream is really bad for you. So that was a really bad addiction. So no more heavy cream. On carnivore, you save so much money, right? Because you're only eating 1 meal or 2 meals. You're not eating breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, desserts. My problem is that I would go to Starbucks and I would get 2 coffees, and if you know Starbucks, it's really expensive, and so I've just been wasting so much money on that. So it's going to be really good to just cut out this coffee. So anyway, you could make this with whatever you want. You could add bacon, you could add ground beef, you could add cheese, you could add ham, pretty much anything you'd want. So we're going to start by cracking these eggs. I'm going to turn this on to get my ground beef started. I didn't know, but my family actually made burger patties, so I'm going to save these 3 for meal prep and just put this back in the freezer. I'm cooking up this ground beef. We got it from Independence Arc. My family absolutely loves Independence Arc. I always say try to support your local farmer if you can, but our local farmer has been selling out over and over again, so we just stocked up on Independence Arc. I highly recommend this. I'm going to put this in the freezer. This is getting nice and hot. I did add a little tallow in it before, so it's already got some, but I'm gonna add a tad bit more for some extra fat. I'm gonna cut open my ground beef. And actually, don't do what I just did because you can dull the knife and you could cut your finger. I should know, I actually have a scar on my finger because that happened before and I cut my finger open. Do as I say, don't do as I do. I don't remember what it's called. And now we're gonna let this cook up. I'm gonna stir my eggs. We get this beef tallow off Amazon. It's 7 pounds, but we're almost done with it. And then once we're done, our farmer actually is starting to sell beef tallow, so then we'll be getting it from them. But if you don't have a local farmer, you could get this off Amazon. I think it's 7 pounds for $45, which I think that's really good because this lasts us months. So I'll leave that in the link in the description below. Ground beef is one of my favorite foods. It's so easy to cook up, and then you use this salt. Ooh, this is Malden sea salt. I don't know if you guys know, a lot of people use Redmond salt. I love Redmond too, but this is just thick, flaky salt, and it's so delicious. I like to get mine nice and crispy. Let me see how this is looking. No, I'm gonna turn it a little higher. Tell me if you like this too. This is my uncle's idea. It says stronger than yesterday. I love it. But I'm still trying to design it and make a better one because, well, he said this looks a little plain, but I actually really like this how it's plain. So I think I'm going to post this on the website, compassionatecarnivore.store, if you guys are interested in this. Oh, I hear it. This is boiling, I think. This is boiling, so we're going to turn the heat off, and then I'm going to set a 10-minute timer. This is Daisy George. She's a carnivore too. Right, Eaton? He's the cutest cat ever. Nice and crispy. This cast iron skillet is perfect too for meal prep because it's so big. You can cook up so many burger patties on it. You can cook up bacon, fried eggs. I make the best steaks ever on here. I got this off Amazon too. I'll leave this in the link down in the description below. This is all done. Super fast and simple and easy. And now you just pour it in. Oopsie, so that one's empty. I'm gonna crack an egg in that one. All right, and I'm gonna save this bit for me to eat because I'm hungry. This is what it looks like. Oh, I'm gonna crack an egg in here actually. Okay, so actually we're out of eggs. Super fast, simple, and easy. Boom, done. And now we're just gonna put this in for 15 to 20 minutes. And now we wait. The pan is too hot to lift up to get the oil, but at least there wasn't that much in it, so I'm just going to soak it up with a paper towel. This is the ground beef. I've been munching on it. So delicious. I like to get mine real nice and crispy. This is so good. Oh shoot. I always forget to set a timer on. How long has this been sitting? I'm gonna let it sit for 4 more minutes and then I'm just gonna put it in cold water. I've been craving boiled eggs all day. Oh, it's hot. Oh my gosh, I had the water on hot. This is what these look like. Oh my gosh, that one rised up really big. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so hungry. Oh, so delicious. These cook up super fast. Yeah, it's done. Oh my gosh, they smell so delicious. Carnivore muffins, such good meal prep. Do you see that? That is so beautiful. You put a pat of butter on the top and it melts. It is so delicious. The top is nice and crispy, and then when you bite into it, it's nice and fluffy. And then you got your ground beef in there. This is my favorite. So simple and easy to make. Okay, well that is my simple, easy carnivore meal prep. I got my boiled eggs. I got 3 of them. I'm leaving the rest unpeeled because I think it just lasts longer. And then I got my carnivore muffins. This is really good for a meal prep. I literally do 2 stacks. So I'll definitely make another one. And then I got my burger patties in the refrigerator. Oh my gosh. It's still steaming hot. So delicious. The top is nice and crispy and the middle is so fluffy and delicious. Ooh, I gotta get butter to add on it. But that is my carnivore meal prep. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys meal prep. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe as it really helps me out and it helps YouTube push my YouTube videos and it may help inspire someone to do carnivore and completely transform their life. That is my carnivore meal prep. I wish you guys the very best today and always. Bye. Beep.